Hi saxophone players! If you're watching this video, you are really good at doing your so and me, and you know how to put your saxophone together. So go ahead and pause this if you have not already put your saxophone together. And if you have, I just want to check and make sure that you put it together correctly. We want to make sure that we have about this much cork showing, about the width of your finger, maybe a little less. You've tightened the screw here just till it's firm. And your bridge key goes over the key so that this key can wiggle. Our strap is just to the height so that our saxophone goes straight in our mouth when we bring it up. I'm sitting up nice and tall. I have my fingers 1, 2, 3, and thumb. Oops, 1, 2, 3, and thumb. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to play so. Listen to how so sounds first. Your turn, play with me. Ready? Rest, 2, 3. Last one. Good job. Now we're going to tongue for 4 on so. So it's going to sound like this. Listen first. Join me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Last one. All right, now we're going to play me, which is no thumb and just our first finger. The other fingers are just sitting right above the keys that they would press down if they were pressing them down. Listen to how me sounds. Try it with me. Ready? Let's play 4 counts on, 4 counts off, long tones. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Now we're going to do our tonguing, ta, 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 ta. I want you to remember to put your teeth on the top and your lip covering on the bottom of your reed. Here we are, 4 counts on, tonguing, 4 counts off. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Okay, now we're going to play a game for a couple times, and I'm gonna play something and then you play it with me the second time. I'm not going to tell you what I'm playing if it's so or me. You have to listen and decide for yourself. Here we go, me first. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Ready? My turn. Ready? Your turn. Ready? My turn. Ready? Your turn. Ready. My turn. Ready? Your turn. Ready? My turn. Ready? Your turn. Ready? Okay, I think if you were able to do that, we are so ready to go to learn Rain, Rain, Go Away. Listen to how the song sounds. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Sing it with me. Ready, go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Listen to how it sounds on the saxophone. Don't play it, just listen. Okay. Are you ready to try? We're going to do just portions. So we're going to do rain, rain, go away. Try that with me. 1, 2, rain. Try again. Rain, rain, go away. 1, 2, rain. The next part is, come again another day. Try it. 1, 2, 3. Again, here we go. Come again another day. 1, 2, 3. And that whole thing together, played twice, I don't know if you noticed, but it repeats itself, is the whole song. I'm going to play through the song 3 times. If you want to just listen one of those times, then that's fine. The other 2 times, I want you to join in. So this time, if you're listening, I want you to sing so, me, so, me, while you're following along and move your fingers. And if you're playing, obviously you can play with me. If this is your first time through the video, I want you to sing and move your fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now, when you breathe, you want to make sure that your teeth stay on your mouthpiece and you breathe through the sides of your mouth. Make sure you're not breathing through your nose. Here's try 2. If you were just following along last time, I want you to try playing. We're starting on so. 1, 2, ready. And here's our last time through Rain, Rain, Go Away. 1, 2, 3. So if you are really motivated, you can go on to the next video and learn how to do Starlight, Star Bright, which uses the same notes. And if you want to take a break from saxophone for a little bit, go ahead and put your saxophone in its case. I'm not going to do it with you right now, but when you put away your saxophone, remember the first thing we do is we take our neck off, and then we take our reed off and put our reed in our case. We swab out the neck and mouthpiece, and then we swab out the whole saxophone. Don't forget to take your neck strap off when you put everything away. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and I'm so glad that you practiced along with me today.